No, that's not how you clean mess. Can you please clean it up? Look, there's water. You stepped on it. Can you please clean the water up? I give you the paper towels. You have to clean it. You make mess, you have to clean. Well, that's how you clean with your foot. Look, he cleans it with his foot.
It's like your mama.
You clean it with your foot?
Lazy.
Lazy. Clean it with your hands.
One time, if you don't give him something, he will clean it with his socks.
Can you clean it with your hands? Look, you have to wipe everything. Can you please clean it? Yeah, it's wet. You have to use the paper towel and clean it. Can you please clean it? Okay, right there too. Right there, you see? That's why he was quiet. He was making trouble. Yeah, it's wet underneath too. Okay, Mama will help you. It's right there. Yeah.
Ice cream. Whoa! Whoa! Sorry. Caught in the video. Ice cream. See, you like it. Ice cream.
Don't
Ice
give him
cream.
cold.
See? Ice cream! Yay! Avocado ice cream. You like